Next question, seventh question. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Okay, find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So you should be very careful when you are finding the equivalent resistance between A and B. Sometimes what happens, you will not able to identify which two resistors are connected in parallel, which two resistors are connected in series. Sometimes instead of series, you used to consider parallel. Instead of parallel, you used to consider series. So to avoid that, there is a simple technique. Keep your mind. Use that technique. In this problem, I use the technique. Okay. Find the equivalent resistance between A and B. Sometimes what happens, you will use like this. These two are connected in parallel. These two are connected in parallel. You look at the structure of the diagram and you will identify which one is parallel and which one is series. But that is wrong. So I tell you how to identify. First, find the equivalent resistance between 2 points. They will be giving 2 points, A and B. It may be P and Q, or it may be a plus and minus. In that itself, they may give plus and minus. But whatever it is, 2 points should be there. See, find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So I draw the structure. In my I can explain it easily to you. So this is the structure diagram. This is B and this is A, and this is resistance R1. This is 4 ohm, and this is R2, and this is also 4 ohm, and this is called as R3, and this is also 4 ohm, and this is 6 ohm, and this is R4. Okay. Now look at the diagram. First, whenever you get 2 points, start the current direction from first point. Any points from A also you can consider, from B also you can consider. See, the current flows in this direction. The current flows. The moment when it comes to this junction or at this node, what happens? The current is going to be divided. So current is going to be in this way. That will be considered as I1, and this current is I2, and this current is I3. Okay? I1 current, I2 current, and I3 current. Total, if you add I1 plus I2 plus I3, you will get current I. So I current is going to be divided into I1, I2 and I3. So look at the current I1, the flow of I1. So I1 flows through R1. Same I1 current is flows through R2. So here you observe through R1 and through R2. What is the current flowing through that R1 and R2? That is I1. Means same current is flowing through resistance R1 and R2. That is the reason these two resistors are connected in series. Whenever the same current is flowing through the resistor, 2 resistor or 3 resistor or 4 resistor, then those resistors are connected in series. If the current divides, then it is considered as a parallel. Now R1 and R2 are connected in series. Okay, here R1 and R2 are connected in series. What is the formula? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2. So Rs is equal to R1 value is 4 ohm plus R2 value is 4 ohm, and you will get Rs is equal to 8 ohm. Now the combination of this R1 and R2 together it is 8 ohm. Now I can redraw the circuit diagram. This are not touched, this one 4 ohm, and here downward that also not touched. So this is as usual 6 ohm, this is A and this is B. And by adding these two, by finding the series combination, we got one resistor that is called as Rs, and that is 8 ohm. Now look at here, So current, again the current direction I1, I2, and here I3. Here I1 current is flowing, only one resistor. Here I2 current is flowing, so only one resistor. Here I3 current is flowing, so only one resistor. So that is the reason current flowing through 8 ohm, current flowing through 4 ohm, and current flowing through 6 ohm are not same. They are different. That is the reason Rs and this is R3 and this is R6 are connected in parallel. So next use the formula of parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by Rs, this one Rs plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by substitute the values. 1 by RB is equal to 1 by RS value is 8 plus 1 by R3 value is 4 plus 1 by this value is 6. Now 8, 4 and 6. If you take the LCM, you will get 24. So 24 you will get, then 8 3 is 24, 3 plus 4 6 is 24 plus 6 3 is. So here so 4 sorry. So it is 6 4s are 24. So 6 plus 4 plus 3. So finally what you will get here? 13 divided by 24. Next. So 1 by RB is equal to 13 by 24. So I write it here. RB is equal to 24 divided by 13. And finally you will get 1.84 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance of that particular circuit. So 1.84 ohm. So children, don't forget to take the reciprocal here. The 1 by RB is equal to 13 by 24. Simply don't divide here. You will get 0 point something. So don't divide here. Reciprocally and then you divide. You will get 1.84 ohm.